Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our kitchen. Chef Oswald here, and I've got an incredible recipe to share with you today, a delightful gluten-free vegan bread. An amazing mix of flour that will result in a delightful bread loaf, free of cruelty and amazingly healthy. Let's learn how to make it. First, in a large bowl, mix our flours: rice flour, potato starch, tapioca starch, almond flour, and coconut flour. Add baking powder, xanthan gum if you prefer, and a touch of salt. In another bowl, combine warm water, sugar, olive oil, and apple cider vinegar. This mixture will add moisture and flavor to our bread. Now, blend the liquid ingredients into the flour mixture and stir until everything is well incorporated. The dough will be a bit sticky, but that's just how we want it. Pour the dough into a greased and floured loaf pan. If you like, sprinkle some chia seeds or sesame seeds on top for that special touch. Let the dough rest for about 30 minutes. This will allow it to rise and develop even more flavor. Now, bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes or until the bread turns golden and sounds hollow when tapped on the bottom. Remove the bread from the pan and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This gluten-free vegan bread is perfect for sandwiches, alongside soups, or however you prefer to enjoy it. Did you like it? Then show your appreciation by hitting the like button, sharing with friends, and subscribing to our channel for more amazing recipes. Until next time.